Hello children. In today's video, we will be learning about the region of roots. We have learned till now, we have learned about the types of roots: tap roots, fibrous root, and adventitious root. Tap roots are the roots which are found in dicotyledonous plant. They have a primary root and lateral roots. Fibrous roots are found in a monocotyledonous plant, and they are fiber like, they are thread like. The roots are arising, there is no primary root. Okay, there are several different roots are arising from the base of the stem. Then there are adventitious root. This adventitious root are the roots which arise from the part other than the from different part of the plant, such as stem or leaves. Okay, so such type of roots which arise other than the radicle are called as the adventitious root, such as the prop root of the banyan tree, stilt root of the sugar cane. Okay, so different types of roots we have learned till now. Okay, types of root. Now we will see what is the structure of root. Okay, what is the regions present in the root. A root consists of what different regions. Okay, so let's study that. So roots consist of the regions such as the root cap, the very base tip region. At the tip of the roots there is the root cap. Then there is a region of meristematic activity. Then there is a region of elongation, and there is a region of maturation. Now what are all these four regions? Now root cap. Before learning root cap, we will learn about the region of meristematic activity. Okay, see, in the region of meristematic activity, this is the tip of the root. Okay, tip of the root is covered by the root cap. Okay, why it is covered by the root cap? Because the tip of the roots are very delicate. Okay, very delicate, and they have a very thin walled cells. The cells are very thin walled, and they have a dense protoplasm. Okay, they are very thin walled, and they are repeatedly dividing. So this region consists of the meristematic tissues, meristematic zone. Okay, the cells are repeatedly dividing, and they are very delicate, they are very thin walled, so they have to penetrate deep into the soil. So in order to penetrate, they can get damaged. Okay, this tissue can get damaged. So in order to protect this meristematic zone tissues, there is a root cap. Okay, there is a root cap which protects this meristematic tissue. Okay, so it covers and protects the tender apex of the root, that is the root cap. Meristematic tissue, we have discussed that meristematic zone, it consists of the dividing cells. The cells are continuously dividing. Why the roots grow? Okay, the growth of the root takes place by the cell division. When the cell will divide, then only the roots grow. Okay, so the cells divide here in the apex region. So in the apex region there is a meristematic tissue at the root apex. After the division, what happens? The cell at the proximal region, this is a proximal region. This is a proximal region. This cell undergo the elongation and enlargement. Okay, so a region of elongation undergo the rapid elongation and enlargement, and this is responsible for the growth of root length. Okay, so the length of the root increases because this cell undergo the elongation and enlargement. So as this here the new cells are formed, the upper cells, it is going on increasing, and it is going upward direction. Okay, and in down the cells are getting on adding up. Okay, and hence there is a growth, increase in the length of the root takes place. Okay, so this region is called as a region of elongation, because here the cells of the meristematic cells, they undergo the elongation and enlargement. After the elongation and enlargement, cell undergo the region of maturation. The cell undergo maturation. What happens in maturation? The cells which are there, they undergo differentiation. Okay, now what do you mean by differentiation? initially the cells which are here, the dividing cells, the meristematic cells, they divide mitotically, and there are similar types of cells are formed. Next, after the cells are formed, they undergo the differentiation. Differentiation is what? The cell get modified into the epidermal cells, parenchyma cells, then they undergo the xylem cells, phloem cells. So they form, those different types of cells are formed. So that process is called as differentiation. So after the elongation, the cell undergo maturation. So they undergo differentiation. So in this region, the cells are differentiated. You can, when you cut the section of this root at this region, you will observe different tissues, different layers of the cells, epidermal region, cortex region, and stele, vascular region, vascular bundles. Okay, so different regions you will observe because there is a differentiation of cell take place in this region. And also we can see the epidermal cells which are there of this maturation region. Okay, the epidermal cells develop a fine, thin, hair-like structure, thread-like structures which are the root hairs. Okay, so root hairs are developed at the region of maturation. So what is the function of the root hairs? It is the structure, it is for the absorption of water and minerals. It increases the surface area. This roots, the function of root is what? The absorption. Okay, absorption of water and minerals to give support to the plant, that is the anchorage to the plant. Then also there are different other functions that we will be discussing in the modification of roots. Okay, so that is a primary function, that is absorption of water and minerals and give support to the plant. Okay, so this root hairs are developed, it increases the absorption. How it increases? This root itself it absorbs, but the root hairs which are developed, it even increases the more absorption by increasing the surface area of the in the soil, by increasing the surface area of the roots for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. So this was about the region of roots. Okay, so the different regions which are present in a root. Okay, this is the diagram showing the regions of roots, having the root cap, meristematic region, region of elongation, region of maturation, which is consisting of root hairs. So this is the diagram of